breaking the microstrand. So don't worry about this, but there's still some key things you have to understand. The microstrands, the threads that make the diamond openings, they're 10 times stronger than hair. They're difficult to break, although you can break them. So I would like to explain how to break them so you know how to avoid breaking them, all right? Number one, the microstrand has to fit flat to your head like another piece of skin. If it's flat and your hair is through, it's going to be very difficult to break it. But a bigger point, the way to break it, when you're brushing or picking or combing your hair, you're going to have to get caught and snap a little bit. Just like breaking a tag. You break a tag by snapping. So the only thing that breaks the microstrand is by getting in a little snag or caught and doing a little jerk. Some people do this unconsciously. So you want to be conscious. Go back to thorough brushing and know what I explained about thorough brushing and what you should look at in the thorough brushing video. Lay the brush on its side and brush through so it skims over. But the key thing is if you get in any snarl, you skim over it. You do not snap. Once you snap your wrist a little bit, that's what could break the microstrand. Even though it can be fixed, no problem, we still like to avoid you breaking the microstrand.